Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for today's episode guys, what we are going to do is we are going to do a 1-year review of my Prada Elektra bag. So I'm going to share to you the wear and tear, what fits inside, mod shots, and my recommendations. So if you want to find out everything about this very beautiful Prada Elektra bag, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe, and I would be happy to welcome you to the fam. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramira5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so let us begin. So firstly guys, let's check the wear and tear of my Prada Elektra bag. So this bag actually, so I purchased this one January 2021, so it's now 1 year in my collection. And to be honest, the entire 2022, this should have actually made the most used bag of 2021. So I think this would be top 4 because I have used her a lot. She has been with me during my many adventures in 2021. So let us check wear and tear if there are scratches. So later I'm going to discuss the material as well. But first, here is the front guys. So Elektra bag, Prada Elektra bag is a runway piece. I'm going to check if I could get runway photos here and put it on the side. So she is a top handle bag and she comes with a detachable shoulder strap, so it's inside here. But let's check first from the front. So as you can see here guys, so this is the front. So it's a flap bag. It comes with this like sort of painting, so it spells out Prada over here. I'm not really sure what's the lock called, so maybe it's kiss lock. It's the same as the pochette piece. So in order for you to open the bag, all you need to do is pull downward and you could open the bag like this. And then here is the side, the back. At the back guys, there are no external pockets, but you are going to see it also comes with the logo of Prada here that is made of metal. And then of course this is the top handle over here. So for the top handle, it moves around, so it comes with this rings over here. So this is where you are going to attach the detachable shoulder strap. The top handle, if you are feeling adventurous, is fully removable and detachable, but I haven't done that because as you can see here, it's just like the Chanel Le Boy over here. It comes with this button closure over here, and then there are silver studs that run through the entirety of the top handle. So let us check if there are wear and tear of the bag. As you can see guys, you may notice because I have been watching a lot of vlogs regarding the Chanel Le Boy. So the features or the shape of this one is somewhat similar with Chanel Le Boy with, you know, edges like this on the side. And then the owners of the Le Boy owners, they're saying that there would be scratches or wear over here. But for my Prada Elektra bag, I do not see any scratches at all, as you can see. So for the bottom part, there are no scratches at all, and there are also no feet. And you would notice guys, the glazing is still wonderful. There are no cracking or any of those, so even on the other side. If we are going to open, so again guys, just pull it downward like this. So it's a flap bag. Ooh, okay, so this is the first time that I'm seeing that there is like a dimple. So I'm not really sure how did I get that. I'm not really sure. So there is a dimple over here. And then let us check the hardware if there are major scratches. Are you seeing anything guys? So I'm doing my best to show everything to you. So I'm sure that, you know, it's just minor hairline scratches here and there. And then this is the flap. And then if you are going to open the bag, so it looks like this. It comes with 2 compartments. And if you're going to lay it down, so it would be like this. It is accordion style, so you could easily adjust the bag or the opening of the bag like this. I'm sorry guys, this is the first time I'm doing the camera like this. So it's adjustable like that. So definitely you could put so many things inside. So it comes with 2 compartments. So the back compartment, it comes with the zipper compartment here. And then on the zippered compartment, it would show the Prada logo. And then, there. Alright, so as for the material of the Elektra bag, so this is part of the authenticity card. And it shows here that the material is a combination of Saffiano leather and the city calf. So if we are going to look closer, so as you are going to see here, the top part, this is the textured part, so this is the Saffiano leather, and then the smooth leather, that is the city calf leather. So I believe 20% would be made of Saffiano leather, and then 80% and a big chunk would be of these city calf leather, because everything is the black smooth leather over here. What I love with Prada, whenever it comes with a detachable strap, it would come with its very own dust bag. So here is the detachable strap. So it's also made with the calf leather, and it comes fully adjustable. As you can see, it has holes here. So I keep with the tissue paper so that I would not be scratching the hardware over here. As you can see, the hardware still looks brand new. And then it comes with the rings over here. As you can see, there is the Prada logo. So as mentioned, so you could attach this one over here. Easily attach, you can easily attach it without any worry. So you could carry this one different ways. So you could carry, of course, as a top handle bag, and then as a shoulder bag, and as a crossbody bag. Alright, so for the length of the Elektra bag, so her length is 8.5 inches here at the bottom, and then the width, the widest part, this would be 4.5 inches width, and then the height from here going up to here, that would be 6 inches. And then the top handle drop, so from this going up here, that would be 6.5 inches. Then the strap drop, so if we're going to lay her down, so from here going here, that would be 18 inches. Alright, so let's do what fits inside the Prada Elektra bag. So these are most of the essentials that I would be bringing out whenever I would be carrying this bag. So let's open her up. So here is everything already, guys, inside. So again, as you can see here, so there is enough space. So at the back, I would be carrying with me the Chanel, I use this one, the Chanel pouch here. I will be putting all my makeup kit here, my face cream, oil control film, lip gloss, so everything would be here. And then at the front, so of course, whenever I would be going out, I would be needing my power bank. So here is the power bank. I need that. And of course, this is not the phone that I have. My phone is actually charging, but this is a substitute phone. So it would fit here. And then of course, I don't bring a compact wallet. I only bring my YSL card holder. So actually, I love my YSL card holder because it has card slots and it has compartment for IDs. And compartment here, this is where I put my bills over here. And then I don't have any key clay, guys. So normally if I would be going out, so this is just a sample, guys. So I have just a small pouch, then I'll be putting the keys here, or so that it would not scratch the inside of the bag, because as you know, the lining of the Prada Elektra bag is made of 100% genuine smooth calf leather, and I don't want to scratch the bag. So that is all the essentials in my Prada Elektra bag. And as you have seen, guys, there is enough space. So for example, if you see this on the pre-love market and would like to get this one, so definitely you could fit your essentials. You could even add maybe 2 phones. You could even add your sunglasses. So that's why I super love carrying this one, because I feel it would transform from day to night. Alright, let's do how to wear the Prada Elektra bag. So firstly, you could wear it as a top handle and put it on the crook of your arm. You could reverse it if you want to the bag to be a little bit more discreet. I like it also this way, as you're going to see the logo of Prada is a little bit smaller compared to the original front part of the bag. Alright, so let's try it with the shoulder strap. So firstly, you could wear it as a shoulder bag. As you could see here, it is perfect length because it's only 18 inches shoulder drop. It hits me perfectly on my waistline. I am wearing it on the proper side of the bag over here with the big Prada logo, but definitely you could also reverse the bag just like this if you feel you want, again, the bag to be a little bit more discreet. I feel I would also be using it this way the next time I would be carrying the bag. I like it this way. It's a little bit more classic, and the other side is a little bit on the trendy side. So next is we are going to wear the Elektra bag as a crossbody bag. So because the shoulder drop is just 18 inches, you would notice that wearing this as a crossbody, the bag tends to be a little bit higher. But as you can see, guys, this is very comfortable. Wearing it as a crossbody, just imagine that you are wearing this during your travel or running some errands. The bag is safely secured, very near your body. Alright, so for recommendation, would I ever recommend if you would like to get the Prada Elektra bag? Definitely, I would recommend her. But of course, as you know, the Prada Elektra bag, this is a seasonal piece, so you cannot purchase this anymore at Prada. But definitely, you could purchase this one at consignment store or pre-love shops. So the advantages of this one, so what I love about this would be, of course, the size. The size is medium, as you have seen on our what fits inside. It fits a lot. It fits all the essential, and I love that definitely this would transform from day to night. So the material of this one is also an advantage because as you could see here, I have been carrying this bag most of 2021, but there is no major wear and tear, not unless you are going to just throw your bags anywhere. Then of course, it comes with a fully detachable shoulder strap, so you could wear this one as a top handle bag. So with a top handle bag, I believe you could carry it during, from day to evening, even on date nights. So like for example, you don't want the very flashy painting of Prada logo here, you could flip her over so it would be more chic, more fitted for your date night activities. Then of course, for like for example everyday runs, then just simply attach the detachable shoulder strap so you could wear her multiple ways, carry her as a top handle. This is so spacious, you could carry at the crook of your arm. And then the shoulder strap you could carry on the shoulder and as a crossbody. So definitely I would say yes for the Prada Elektra bag. There, how did you like our episode for today? So hopefully you enjoyed that. And before we end this episode, I would like to say thank you to Carlette. Carlette, thank you so much for leaving this wonderful comment. Welcome to the fam, and thank you so much. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe, and I will be happy to welcome you to the fam. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, guys, thank you so much again for staying with me in this episode. Please stay tuned. Over the weekend, we have a new shopping adventure. I will be leaving a few videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I will see you soon. Bye!